Tired of manually chasing Facebook leads? Let's automate the whole process with a powerful combination. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to connect Facebook lead ads with Aisensy using Pabbly Connect, ensuring every new lead gets an instant personalized WhatsApp message. First, make sure you have a Facebook lead ad form set up and running. This is where your leads will come from. Next, ensure you have an Aisensy account connected to your WhatsApp business API. This will be used to send messages. Now, log in to Pabbly Connect and click on the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a descriptive name like Facebook Lead to Aisensy WhatsApp. In the Trigger app, search for and select Facebook Lead Ads. Choose New Lead as the trigger event. Connect your Facebook account. Then select the Facebook page and the specific lead ad form you want to monitor. Pabbly Connect will now capture new leads from this form. Next, at an action step, search for and select Aisensy. Choose Send WhatsApp Message as the action event. Connect your Aisensy account. Map the phone number field from your Facebook lead ads data to the mobile number field in Aisensy. Then, craft your personalized WhatsApp message. You can use variables from the lead ad form, like the lead's name, to make it personal. For example, you could say, "Hi name, thanks for your interest. We'll be in touch soon to discuss your needs." Finally, save your workflow and switch it on now. Every time someone fills out your Facebook lead ad form, they'll automatically receive a personalized WhatsApp message from Aisensy. That's it. You've automated your lead nurturing process. Start converting those leads into customers more effectively today.